In this video, I'll guide you through adding products and services in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your invoices stay consistent and your reports reflect accurate sales data. Start from the dashboard and open the Sales section on the left panel, then head into the Products and Services tab, which acts as your main catalog for everything you sell or purchase. Click New and choose the correct item type such as service, non-inventory, inventory, or bundle depending on how you actually track and deliver the item, because this choice affects stock levels and financial summaries. Enter a clear name, optional SKU, and category to keep the list searchable, then add pricing, cost, and short descriptions that can autofill on invoices to reduce manual typing. Carefully map each item to the proper income or expense account and review tax settings if applicable, since these directly influence reporting accuracy. Save once details are verified to avoid duplicate edits later. Subscribe for practical tech guides and honest software walkthroughs every week.